Morning children, welcome to your physics class. Did you learn the problems and question answer on the previous topic? Last class what we learned about the acceleration. What we learned? Did you study what is acceleration? Acceleration is change in velocity of the object in a unit time. There we learned the equation A equal to B minus U by t. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is the change in velocity. Today in this class we are learning two problems based on acceleration and velocity. So first problem I will explain. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. Starting from stationary position. Here in this problem, this stationary position has very importance. Then after stationary position means initial velocity zeroed. Stationary position starting from rest means initial velocity zeroed. Then he pedals his bicycle to attain a speed of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. This is a first case. That means velocity increases from zero value to 6 meters per second within the time of 30 seconds. Clear? Velocity increases from zero value to a higher value of 6 meters per second within the time of 30 seconds. Then he applied brakes. What will happen when we apply brake for cycle? Speed will be decreased. Here speed decreased to a value of 4 meters per second. Speed decreased to a value of 4 meters per second. So second case we are starting from 6 meters per second only. 6 meters per second there we consider as initial velocity and 4 meters per second we consider as final velocity. That will be taken within the time interval of 5 seconds. So here we can have two cases. First velocity from 0 value to 6 meters per second within the time of 30 seconds. Then next velocity from that 6 meters per second to 4 meters per second within the time of 5 seconds. So we will find acceleration in both the cases. We will find acceleration in both the cases. I hope everybody understand the question. So I will go for solution. Every problem we start from E1 only. So like that here we are starting E1. Case 1. Initial velocity. What is initial velocity? U. For case 1, what is initial velocity? U. Initial velocity is 0. 0 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Or 0 meter second raised to minus 1. Both way you can write. Then meter second raised to minus 1. Both way you can write. Then why it is 0 meter per second? It is mentioned that bicycle starts from rest, stationary position. Stationary position. So from stationary position only it starts. So initial velocity is 0. Then what is final velocity? That is first case. After pedals the cycle, Rahul pedals the cycle, what happened? Velocity shoot up to a value of 6 meters per second. Velocity shoot up a value of 6 meters per second or meter second raised to minus 1. Then that time interval will be what? T1 will be 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Then what is asked to find out? Acceleration. question mark. This is a way you have to write. So what you have to do? Initial velocity is 0 because Rahul's pedals his bicycle from stationary position. Then velocity increases after pedaling 6 meters per second. Then time 30 seconds. Acceleration question mark. Which formula is used for the acceleration? A equal to V minus U by T. A equal to V minus U by T equal to what is V? 6 meter per second minus 0 meter per second divided by what is time? 30 seconds. Time is 30 seconds. We will get a 6 minus 0, 6. 6 by 30. 6 by 30 what will be? 1 by 5. We know 1 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means what will be? Point 2. Unit what will be? Meter per second divided by second. Meter second raised to minus 2. 4 meter per second square. Point 2 meter second raised to minus 2. Point 2 meter second raised to minus 2. This is acceleration in the first case. So here initial velocity is 0, final velocity 6 meter per second, then time 30 seconds. Acceleration question mark. Then we have acceleration equal to V minus U by T. It is given by 6 meter per second minus 0 meter per second divided by 30. 6 minus 0, 6. Then denominator 30. When we cancel out, we will get by 6 table, we will get 1 by 5. 1 by 5 we have 0.2 meter second raised to minus 2. So this is the first case. We go for second case. Case 2. In case 2, initial velocity what will be? Now 6 meter per second I told. That's 6 meter per second is the initial velocity. Then after applying brakes, velocity decreased to a value of 4 meter second raised to minus 1. The time taken to change this velocity is 5 seconds. Acceleration question mark. So here initial velocity is 6 meter per second. What is their final velocity? That will be initial velocity. First case, what is final velocity? 6. That will be taken as initial velocity here. So we have U equal to 6 meter per second. Then final velocity is after the application of brake. We have that is 4 meter per second. The time taken to change the velocity is 5 seconds. So acceleration question mark. But which way we will do? A equal to V minus U by T equal to 4 meter per second. 4 meter second raised to minus 1 divided minus 6 meter second raised to minus 1 divided by 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So we have 4 minus 6 is minus 2 divided by 5. What is minus 2 divided by 5? We will get minus 0.4 meter second raised to minus 2. This negative acceleration is called deceleration or retardation. These two terms just note down: deceleration or retardation. Negative acceleration is called deceleration or retardation. Retarded because speed decreases. So when speed decreases, we will have a deceleration or retardation. Also, it is called negative acceleration. So A equal to B minus U by T. That when we solve it out, we will get a minus 0.4 meter second raised to minus 2. So I am going to explain one more problem from your textbook. bus decreases its speed from 80 kilometer average to -1 to 60 kilometer average to -1 in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the person. Find the acceleration of the bus. Here also, like previous problem only, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. This is initial velocity. This is final velocity. Here decreases. Importantly, speed decreases only. Then it is taken within a time interval of 5 seconds. Find the acceleration. Like every problem starting from given. Given what is given? Initial velocity 80 km per hour. U equal to 80 km per hour. So which value will do? 80 into 5 by 18. That is conversion I told. Why? We have to convert into meter per second. So we get 80 into 5 by 18. Then we will get 16 point. Here we will get 22.22 meter second raised to -1. When we convert 22.22 meter per second. The previous problem I got 1 kilometer per hour equal to 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. This is the conversion step here we are applying. Then we have initial velocity is 80 kilometer per hour. Then when we convert 80 into 5 by 18, we will get 22.22. When you simplify, multiply and divide by 18, we will get 22.22 meter per second. Similarly, final velocity V equal to 60 kilometer per hour equal to 60 into 5 by 18. Then we will get 16.67 meter per second. Time is 5 seconds. That is no conversion in second only. Acceleration question mark. Acceleration is the required answer. So we have U equal to 80 km per hour. 80 into 5 by 18, 22.22 meter per second. B 60 km per hour. 60 into 5 by 18, we get 16.67 meter per second. Time 5 seconds. Acceleration question mark. Which formula we use? A equal to V minus U by T equal to we have final velocity 60.67 minus 22.22. Common only got, so we can write meter per second divided by 5 seconds. 5 seconds. This is when we subtract, minus 5.55 divided by 5, we will get it. When we simplify, my table will go 1.11 meter second raised to -2. So A equal to V minus U by T 16.67 minus 22.22. Unit is same order, so I wrote it common. Meter second raised to -1 divided by 5 seconds. When we subtract it, in a subtraction, we will get minus 5.55 divided by 5. We will get minus 1.11 meter second raised to -2. Two problems here I solved. I hope everybody understand. So next class we will learn next part of this chapter, graphical representation of motion. Thank you.